So do I look at you or do I look over there? Hey, what's up guys? Today we're doing things a little bit different. It's a little bit unscripted and it's a little bit raw because I want this to be real. I want to share my story with you guys. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Jackson Wire and I'm the founding director of SnapSolar. See, here at SnapSolar, not many of you may know, but our slogan is SnapSolar, powering change. When I started SnapSolar back in 2018, we set out to be the best solar company and do the best work, provide the best products, and ultimately my vision for the company was solar done right. Solar that was sustainable, solar that would stand the test of time, and ultimately solar that empowered customers. Moving along to 2024, we've got an opportunity where we can create real change. And every day that I look at our business and see powering change, I ask myself, what is the change that I'm creating in this world? What is the impact that my business creates in this world? How do I empower my customers? How do I create real change? I've taken some time today to let you guys in on some work that we've been doing behind the scenes here at SnapSolar, where we've aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. Now this is a foundation that's a little bit personal to me, and it's a foundation that over the last few years I've really wanted to get active and get involved with. So we aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation for a few reasons. Myself and my family are avid watermen. We spend 90% of our weekends in the water. I'm by no means a professional surfer, but I love my surfing, I love my kite surfing, I love my fishing, diving, spearfishing, and ultimately we love the Whitsunday region, the Mackay region, and the oceans as a whole. We know that solar is good for the environment, and we know that solar ultimately directly offsets carbon and directly offsets a home's carbon footprint. But we wanted to go one step further. We know that our reefs are in trouble, and we know that our reefs need all the support that they can get. For people to stand up and take notice of change, whether you agree that it's climate change, whether you're skeptical of climate change, we got a choice here where we can be proactive to a situation, where we can invest our time, we can invest in solutions, and we can invest in things that we love. So what we've done here at SnapSolar is we've aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, and we're starting as of this month, every solar system that we sell will be planting a piece of coral. For me, it's a legacy that I'll be proud to uphold and to pass on to my kids, to show that we actually stood up and we took an initiative and we made and created real change, where we have helped plant X amount, with your help, of coral reef right in our own backyard. Guys, preservation and sustainability is the core root of our business. And with your help, guys, you can help us plant and restore the reef one plantation at a time. So guys, watch this space. We're gonna head out, we're gonna shoot some areas of the reef, we're gonna go hopefully plant some reef with the hard-working team at Reef Catchments to go show you guys exactly what's involved and what people are doing on the day-to-day to protect this pristine environment. Thank you for all your support, to all of those who've supported us from 2018 to now. We couldn't have done it without you. To all of our future customers, by investing in SnapSolar, you're investing into a company that's taking real action to protect and preserve our own backyard, for the simple reason that we care.